Skip the confusion. Here are beginner cameras worth your money. All links are in the description. Step up from your phone with real DSLR control. The Rebel T7 delivers sharper shots, better depth, and more lens options than any smartphone. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, an entry-level DSLR with an APS-C sensor that offers solid resolution for travel and landscape work. It shoots in 1080 video, though the screen stays fixed, and its autofocus is basic compared to mirrorless rivals. Image quality is the standout, especially if you're upgrading from a phone. Comfortable grip and simple controls make it easy for beginners to learn. Battery life beats many mirrorless models, giving you more shots per trip. Autofocus is slow, burst rate is limited, and build feels cheap. Great for new photographers wanting better travel and landscape shots. Skip it if you need fast autofocus or high-end video features. Skip the charger. This DSLR runs all day. Battery life is the standout here, making it easy to shoot dawn to dusk without worry. This is the Nikon D3500, an entry-level APS-C DSLR that delivers solid dynamic range and sharp detail for its class. It is one of the most portable DSLRs, yet still bigger than mirrorless rivals. The sensor punches above its weight, capturing rich highlight and shadow detail. Images stay sharp, and battery life is exceptional for long travel days. Comfortable handling and portability make it easy to carry on hikes or city walks. Autofocus is basic, with limited points and unreliable subject tracking. The fixed screen also restricts creative angles. Great for beginners or travelers wanting DSLR image quality without constant charging. Not ideal for fast-action shooters or vloggers. Capture more, carry less. This camera stays light. The Canon EOS R50 packs portability without stripping away capability. This is Canon's entry-level mirrorless with an APS-C sensor delivering wide dynamic range and high resolution. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second and full HD up to 120, all in a body under a pound. Its lightweight build makes it ideal for travel or long hikes. Autofocus tracks humans, animals, and vehicles with impressive accuracy. Fully articulated screen supports vlogging, while HDR-PQ 10-bit recording adds punch for HDR displays. Limited burst buffer and no weather sealing mean it's not built for demanding action or harsh conditions. Great for beginners and travelers needing portability and solid image quality, but action shooters or low-light specialists should look elsewhere. Capture sharp landscapes even in low light. The Nikon Z50 keeps detail intact where others blur. This is Nikon's compact APS-C mirrorless, delivering excellent dynamic range and low noise at higher ISO. It shoots 4K at 30 frames with a slight crop and up to 120 frames in full HD. The Z50 produces crisp, clear images with strong highlight and shadow detail. Autofocus tracking is solid for most subjects, and low-light shots stay clean. Weather sealing makes it viable for outdoor travel and landscape shooting. Battery life is short, and the photo buffer limits extended RAW bursts. Ideal for travel and landscape shooters who value image quality. Action specialists or long-duration shooters may want more endurance. Capture fast, travel light, stay sharp. The Canon R10 blends portability with speed for photographers on the move. This is Canon's R10, an entry-level mirrorless camera with a 24.2 megapixel sensor and burst rates up to 15 frames per second mechanical, 23 electronic. It records uncropped 4K at 30 frames per second with 10-bit HDR-PQ. Autofocus locks onto moving subjects with precision, even in challenging conditions. The fully articulated screen makes framing from any angle easy, and the body is light enough for all-day carry without fatigue. Dynamic range is strong for landscapes and high-contrast scenes. No weather sealing means caution in rain, and the photo buffer fills quickly in long raw bursts. Ideal for travelers and hybrid shooters needing speed and flexibility. Skip it if you demand full-frame quality or rugged build. For prices and links to all the cameras featured today, check the description. Like this video, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.